Hi everybody, it's Amar Sincilla and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make Myanmar Chicken BBQ skewers. I have the ingredients all set up, so let's take a look. Here's all the ingredients you need. I have 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs that are cut into bite-sized cubes. I have salt and pepper. I have some spices. I have a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of ginger, and half a teaspoon of garlic. Now for the ginger and garlic, you can use fresh, but I had the powder version at home, so I'm going to use it this time. And we have about one tablespoon of fish sauce and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. What we want to do is first put a little bit of salt and pepper on the chicken. Just a little bit of salt, not a lot, because we're going to use a combination of salt and fish sauce. Now I'm going to mix all these spices up. I can just do it in here. Or you can mix it up in a bowl. And I'm just going to add it to the chicken. We're going to mix the chicken and the spices together. Then we're going to add the fish sauce. And the yogurt. And then mix it well. So we have this marinated chicken. I want to let that marinate overnight, or at least for an hour or 2 before you skewer it, and then all you need to do is grill it. Last night we marinated the chicken, and today I have skewered them and they're ready to be put on the grill. I have my grill ready to go, and I'm using grilling mats because it keeps the grill clean and it gives also a beautiful char. So let's put these on the grill. It's gonna be pretty fast. I'm gonna cover the grill and we'll check back in about 1 or 2 minutes. You can see it's raining outside, it's cloudy and it's gloomy, but the beautiful thing about having a grill under the lanai, under the roof, is that I can grill anytime I want, whether it's rain or shine. Oh, beautiful char. The chicken skewers are looking amazing. The barbecue chicken is done. You can enjoy this barbecue chicken as it is, or you can serve it with a side of rice and some salsa, or even put it on top of a salad. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure to click that notification bell so that you'll be notified of every new episode that's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.